go to the store to sell goods and earn some gold coins.
I want to buy these items.
Corn. Egg.
I'm done. Thank you.
The goods are sold out. Let's produce some. Wow, we can unlock new modules. Farmland. Let's open up the farmland together. Let's start sowing. Corn seeds. Give them some water. They need sunlight to grow. Remember to fertilize them. Birds will destroy the plants. Drive them away! The crops are ripe. Wow, a bumper harvest! Our goods are in the store. Withered crops should be removed. Let's start sowing. Wheat seeds. Birds will destroy the plants. Drive them away! The crops are ripe. Wow, a bumper harvest! Wheat seeds. The locusts are coming! Kill them! The crops are ripe. Wow, a bumper harvest!